The slot left very hard for that I actually hit. That's kind of incredible, even though it was on a 1, it's still incredible. Let's spin the wheel. Yoshiko! I guess she left. Two X on Pachinko from top slot. And Pachinko it is with 2x top slot. Yeehaw! Let's go! They're back in town. Let's go! We are cooking. What did I say? Huh? What did I say? We are cooking. 5x, 7x, 10x, 15x, 20x, 25x, 100x, and a double. Let's double them all up. 10x is the lowest multi, the biggest is 200x. Let's go back. All the multis are golden, am I right? So anything will be kinda good, right? Oh, the lowest multi is 10x. Yeah. 200x! Are you serious? Let's go! Eating Christmas dinner on Christmas Eve. Then on Christmas, gonna give the presents for my family, get some presents maybe, and that's it. That's about it. Nothing too special. What about you? How do you celebrate Christmas? Binga bless you. Oh, my man, Rob, my man. It's not a very popular movie, so I'm surprised that there is somebody who knows it. Pachinko time! Yeehaw! Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's see what notes we're able to get. 3x, 5x, 7x, 10x, 15x, 20x, 4x, 200x, and a double. Let's go up. A lot of yellow color on the board. Love to see that. The red color is even more enticing. Let's hope we're gonna rock out is something good. And it's heading on the right direction so far. Let's hope he's gonna avoid the 7, please. 200x! Yeehaw! That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Yes, it's our top winner. That's the redemption I needed. Let's go.
Hello. Hello. So come on, hit it, baby. Now this is gonna be massive. I hope so. All right, you have 3 choices: green, blue, or the yellow color. Which one do you like the most? Take your time, you still have plenty. ASMR. Button ASMR. All right, 200x. This is gonna be the biggest one, so let's hit it. Reach for the stars. And boom! It's a time, my friend. We got 15x for the yellows, 20 for the green, and a 200 for...
Right, yes, I've been looking to see you for a long time. Well, finally we see each other. You know what else that we see? That beautiful, beautiful, crazy time. Come on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, home sweet home. We are finally here. So dear players, you have to pick a color. Green, blue, or maybe the yellow one. Which one will bring you the best multiplier? By the way, this time we have triple segment on the wheel as well. Most of you pick the blue, the highest one 200, unless we get a double or triple. Good luck. Okay, very good. 15 for the yellow, 20 green, and 200 for the blue flapper.
Coin flip. Guess who? Bill Penny bags. Welcome, guess who, to Crazy Time. Gigi doesn't have a sound on. That's a shame. Okay, guys. Can you tell Gigi it's not that time? He doesn't have a sound on. It's a shame. But hey, we have a Crazy Time, which is awesome. So follow me, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Crazy Time. And let's not waste any more time. Get those multis on the wheel, guys. Let's go. Beautiful. You know what time it is. Decision time, guys. Green, blue, or yellow. Which one you're picking? It's entirely up to you which one you want to take, which one you want to get. Now let's take a look, guys. Last seconds, and the highest multi we have on the wheel actually is 100x. Wouldn't be too shabby, guys. Best of luck to everybody. $25 green and 10 for blue, and double the yellow one up. Let's go. Yellow getting that double treatment, guys. All right. Now, 200x the highest multiplier. That's even better. Oh, let's go. Best of luck to everybody. $200x on that yellow. Let's go.
It's almost over. Boom! And what do we get here? We get number 10, and we got that 25x from top slot. Boom! Yay!
Amazing. Good for you. Spoil yourself. 5x cash in. Come on. Listen up. This is a fine session. And this round is going to be stunning. Ladies and gentlemen, cash hunt with 5x multiplier. Hi, welcome. So, while it's here, what is the highest one? Where is it? 100x right there. But hold up, wait a minute. We applied that 5x multiplier, so 500. That's the highest one. We have a 375, 250. We have a lot of cool things on this board. And now, let's make that beautiful carousel to shake them up. Multis, you know, are not related with the symbols in any possible way, right? Right. And now, it's your time to shine. Take your time and pick one of those symbols. Maybe you have favorite one or favorite place on the wall. If you don't want to choose, just relax, get some Christmas snacks, and our topic will do everything. I will pick one as well. I will go for a cactus, this one. 75 for me, 500x right there. Look at this board, it's just stunning. Congratulations to all the winners, and let's go back to the real day players.
10x on that coin flip that we just got. You down? Okay, if you have a bet on coin flip, no other options for you guys than to enjoy this coin flip. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look. Not regular, good run-of-the-mill coin flip. We have a 10x on the top slot on it as well. Let's make it worthwhile. Let's take a look. 1000x, ladies and gentlemen. 40x on blue. Hey, no question. We need that red side. Let's go. Hey! 1000x on a coin flip, ladies and gentlemen. We take these all day, every day, and twice on a Sunday. Let's go. 1K. 7,683 winners crown. 60,000 euros for you, brother.